Okay, happy Tuesday, guys. We're going to do the energy oracle cards. We haven't used these in a few days. So let's see what comes out in this deck and go from there. Hopefully, everybody had a great Tuesday. I feel like we got a couple people that are heartbroken, upset, trying to use communities of people to come towards you. So we'll see. Angel strength reversed. This person is not strong. The Leo, the strength card, I said the Leo. So this person could be a Leo or you could be a Leo. The strength card was upside down as well. So someone is losing strength. They are not strong. Meanwhile, you are strong. You got man holding a heart. I've been telling y'all this the last few days. This man holding a heart absolutely loves and adores you, although they may not physically be able to tell you right now or be around you right now. It's okay. They love you. And if you're a man watching this, your woman loves you. We got storm warning reverse. So you could have put the energetic SOS, I need you to do something now before I do something. And the universe came through and you avoided the storm warning. And that's honestly the step before the storm, right? It's storm watch, then storm warning. Oh no, so a storm was definitely going to hit. You avoided that. Okay, good. We got patience. Well, I've been telling you guys have patience and grace as well. That's beautiful. So be patient with yourself, with your person, with anybody that you come into contact with right now. I don't scream or talk all day, so I have no idea why my voice is going out. But we're going to talk anyways, guys. Patience by Kaylani. Patience could have done as well. And I knew the present. It's a love song. Daughter Romance, just as I said that and started trying to remember the lyrics. The Temple Path, the Daughter Romance. Daughter Romance is opening. Their patience and healing gratitude. The Temple Path reversed. Someone trying to stop this. Well, people cannot stop what's already written. Delay maybe until you awaken. When you awaken, then you will be on your temple path. So you could be new. So what is happening in my life? Just as I said that, all tied up. So you could absolutely be new to trying to figure out what universe am I in and how do I exist here? That came out with the Angel of Strength. So someone could be tied up and not strong. all at the same damn time. Isn't that future again? At the same damn time. Goddess of the moon reverse. So this is someone's warning in advance to not do anything with a full moon or crescent moon, new moon, or any moon for that matter that came out with man holding a heart, trying to block this man holding a heart connection or woman holding a heart connection. But can't stop, won't stop. Rockefeller, get it. That is old. The girls love us. Isn't that New York again? Oh my God. The thinking woman, appreciation, the woman holding a coin reverse, magician in the mirror reverse, angel of love, walking away reverse, the thinking man, happy family, deceive reverse. This dude is trying to flip. So you don't get your ultimate wish fulfillment, 10 of cups, happy family situation. Let's see what actually flips out. This you're going to get this goddess of the moon reverse next to the sun, and that is coupled with storm warning reverse. That tower moment was definitely avoided. Y'all could have, look again, be careful driving. I've almost get unalived almost every day at this point, but that's neither here nor there. But it happened almost like 4 times on the ride home. I'm like, why are all these people driving like this? But be careful driving. Nothing's flipping back out. Healer of the ages. Wow. You guys are receiving the healing vibes right now. They're both illumination, gold, angels coming through. He got the fire hands. It's not fire hands. Those are like air hands. I feel like this may be also political. I always just feel like you can always mention political in these. I'm always mention political things. But yesterday, we got Archangel Gabriel. I said we had to. I heard you have to destroy before we can elevate, and Uncle, who's the president now? Uncle Donnie. I wonder if Uncle Joey is chilling. Uncle Donnie, he's definitely uprooting. He's the tower moment for the U.S. Victory. You got victory over this man holding a coin. Which is giving me the vibe of that thinking man. So this person was doing all this plotting, scheming, scamming, yada yada yada, and doing all this crazy stuff because he thought he had money and now he doesn't have money. Like, that's the only thing that he or she thought could control you. But you have victory over this entire situation. Expect communication. Gabriel's communication. So expect communication. Their doors are blocked. Same as the Chariot reverse and the Tarot spread. Adjacent possibilities. Their windows are closed. Their window of opportunity, again, was always expired for forever ago, but that time of expiration is like now, guys. For sure, everybody is going towards a healing, caring, loving energy. No one has time to be angry, bitter, upset, salty, mad, blah 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 blah. No, no time for that. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. Hearts, kisses, and bye.